Roofing here in Moultonborough. Beautiful golden brown roof. Safe roofing practices. Replacing this roof with a certainteed architectural shingle. Really the best for this region. There are many different styles, but we choose this brand because it weighs 240 pounds per square, or 10 by 10 foot area. Combined with Mastercraft's 30-year excellence in roofing and my skilled teams of metal roofers, shingle roofers, and metal shingle roofers. It's a great combination. We'll finish this roof in one day. Watertight guarantee. We start on time, finish punctually until, well, when the roof's done, every day until the roof is done. Mixing words, but you get what I mean. I'm a roofer, not a spokesperson.